Everyone. Alkenes combine with carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the presence of octacarbonyl cobalt as catalyst under high temperature and pressure to form aldehydes, which can be further reduced to alcohols by hydrogen, alkanes, which are formed by addition of hydrogen, alcohols are formed by reaction of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, ketones, which can be further reduced to aldehydes by hydrogen. So octa carbonyl. This is octacarbonyl and this is the cobalt. Octa 8 carbonyl and this is the cobalt. So this is used as a catalyst in the reaction. Now carbon monoxide when reacts with hydrogen and alkene, what will happen? This hydrogen will break in the form of hydrogen. This pi bond will break. This one hydrogen will go and attack the carbon. This hydrogen will go and attack the carbon monoxide to form a functional group, aldehyde functional group, and this aldehyde functional group will go and attack this carbon. So we will get RCH2, CH2, CHO. Now this is just a simple trick to remember the reaction, not the mechanism. Okay, it is not the correct mechanism. It's just a simple trick to remember the reaction. So we are getting aldehyde as the product. We can reduce this aldehyde in the presence of hydrogen to form alcohol. RCH2 CHOH. So one hydrogen will go and attack here, one hydrogen will go and attack here to form alcohol. This is also a trick to remember the reaction, not the exact mechanism. So the correct answer of this question will be option A. I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.